In this video, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart a 24 volt system just using two batteries. Most pickup trucks nowadays have two batteries in them. The first thing you want to do is disconnect all of the terminals from your pickup truck. You're going to have to use two sets of jumper cables for this to work. The thicker the cables you have, the better. Prying the terminals loose will reduce the wear on the terminals. The first set of cables is just going to use one side. I've chosen to use the positive side. I'm going to connect the positive end of my first set of cables to the negative terminal of what I'm calling battery number 1. So I've got my positive hooked up to the negative. I'm going to go to the other positive side of the same set of cables, and I'm connecting that side to the positive side of battery number 2. So it's kind of counterintuitive, but I'm connecting the two batteries together, negative to positive, with the first set of cables. My second set of cables, I'm grabbing the positive side, connecting it to the positive end of battery number 1. Then I'm grabbing this negative side of those cables and connecting it to the negative side of battery number 2. The first set of cables that we put red to negative, red to positive, adds the two 12 volt values of each battery together to give you a sum of 24 volts output. The second set of cables, we connect the positive to the first battery and the negative to the second battery to have 24 volts of output voltage. I like to go to the other end and tap them together just to make sure we have a nice spark. I attach the red jumper cable to the battery terminal that has the cable that goes to either the master switch or the starter. Then I grab the negative battery cable, attach it to the negative side. I'm going to try to start it, and it doesn't start. I tried a couple times, doesn't start. I went back and I just readjusted the terminal, all of my cables, to make sure that the cable clamps had a really good connection on all of the batteries involved. And once I did that, came back, started right up. Now you can see I go to grab the positive, I change my mind, grab the negative first. I could throw that on the ground. If you grab the positive first and throw it, it'll short out. Throw those on the ground, don't let them touch, and then just disconnect everything. No particular order on how to disconnect it, just make sure nothing shorts out to the frame of the truck. Once everything's disconnected, I grease up my terminals. Greasing it helps out with reconnecting terminal connectors, doesn't wear the battery terminals down, and also reduces corrosion. Thanks for watching.